Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the FPS counter in your Steam game. So if you're using Steam, you can actually go to settings and turn on the first person or the frames per second counter. And we can go to Steam right here, go to settings. Now we want to go to where it says in-game. And we can go through this list and we can find it right here. In-game FPS counter, we can just go to turn on and we can decide the location. Typically top left is where you'd probably want to turn this on. And then it says in-game FPS counter, high contrast color. I don't know if this is going to turn it like white or black or something like that, but we can just turn it on to make it a little bit easier to see. But it should pop up when you start your game in the upper left side of the screen now, and you won't need to go to the in-game settings to turn that on. I think by default it's like a yellow or something like that. I've had it on before. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.